Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lily Marlene's Blur of Color. Today I wanted to do something that matches my shirt. I don't know if you can see it, it's quite colorful. So yeah, I tried to find some green that matches. I think it worked out. Some orangey red for, well, yeah, my eyelid. And of course some yellow. I didn't have that much of a neon yellow, but I think that's quite fine too. And some purpley pink, and of course black. So yeah, I think it worked quite nice. It looks a little bit like a parrot, but that's okay too. I am kind of like a parrot, colorful, whatever. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this look, stay tuned, keep on watching and have fun. I'm starting out with a Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the color NW18 by MAC, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M439 brush. For my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Taupe. As eye primer, I'm using the Wunder 2 Prime and Behold. From the Beauty Bay Bright palette, I'm starting out with the shade Labyrinth, which is the darkest green, and I'm applying that with a Morphe M506 brush in my crease. To help blend that out, I'm using White Lies. On the outer half of my lid, I'm using Head Over Heels, which is the darkest red. On the middle part of my eyelid, I'm using Cherryade with the Morphe M124 brush, and this shade is a shimmer which leans quite a lot toward being satin. On the inner third of my lid, I'm going in with Orange Soda. As my inner corner highlight, I'm using Rise and Shine, and I'm also pulling this a little bit onto my lid. As my brow bone highlight, I'm using Angel Cake, and I'm applying this with the Morphe JS13 brush. On my lower lash line, I'm going in with Sugar Plum and a Morphe M506 brush. To blend that out, I'm using the shade Tutu. To deepen up my crease, my outer V, and a little bit of my lower lash line, and to kind of hide the, well, line between the red and the green, I'm using Illicit, which is the black. Next, I'm going in with the Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner, and this time in the color Jet Black on my waterline. As my liquid eyeliner, I'm using, I know you've guessed it, the Epic Ink Liner by NYX. To bronze up my face, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Blush in the color Cosmic Force, and I'm applying this with the Real Techniques Dual Fiber Face Brush. To contour my face, I'm using the contour shade from the 3 Steps to Contour palette by Catrice Cosmetics, and I'm applying this with the Morphe E4 brush. I almost said MAC, sorry. On my cheeks and nose, I'm using the MAC Sheer Tone Blush in the color Breath of Plum, and I'm applying that with the Morphe M405 brush. As a highlighter, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighter in the color Chillz, and I'm applying this with the Morphe M501 brush. For my lashes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, and as my first coat, I'm using the curl and length side, and usually as a second coat, I'm using the volume side. On my lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Deceased. And to set it all in place, I'm using the Continuous Mattifying Setting Spray Mist, something like this from Morphe. And here's the finished look. I really do like this look, and I think I've matched the colors of my blouse quite nicely. Okay, the yellow is a little bit off, but the rest, I think I did a quite good job in color coding, or whatever you want to call it, doing that. Yes, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!